This video is brought to you by Altium 365, where the world designs electronics, and Octopart, the fastest search engine for electronic parts.
Editing in the Properties panel. One of the most powerful features of the Properties panel is that it supports editing multiple selected objects at the same time. If all objects share a property, that property will be available for editing. If all objects share the same value property, that value will be displayed. If objects share the same property but have different values, it will display an asterisk. The value entered or option chosen is applied to all selected objects. You have now placed all the components. Now note that the components shown in this image are spaced so that there is a plenty of room to wire to each component pin. This is important because you cannot place a wire across the bottom of a pin to get a pin beyond it. If you do, pins will connect to the wire. If you need to move a component, click and hold on the body of component, then drag the mouse to reposition it.